Welcome to our channel Study Gaze. Today we will discuss top 100 multiple choice questions on building material and construction. So let's begin. Number 1. The rocks formed due to solidification of molten mass are called aqueous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, igneous rocks. The answer is igneous rocks. These are the rocks formed by cooling of magma, and these rocks are strong and durable. Number 2. Granite is an example of aqueous rock, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, igneous rocks. The answer is igneous rocks, and these igneous rocks include basalt, quartz, dolerite and granite. 3. Solidification of molten magma at the surface of the earth results in the formation of sedimentary rock, basalt and traps, granite, metamorphic rock. The answer is basalt and trap. The volcanic rocks are formed by cooling of magma at Earth's surface, and they're extremely fine-grained and glossy. The examples include basalt and trap. 4. The rocks which are formed due to cooling of magma at a considerable depth from Earth's surface are called plutonic rocks, hyperbasalt rock, volcanic rocks, igneous rock. The answer is plutonic rock. Why? It is formed by cooling of magma at considerable depth and are very strong and in crystalline structures. Examples include granite and dolerite. 5. Pick up the hyperbasalt rock from the following: granite, dolerite, basalt, all the above. The answer is dolerite because it comes under the hyperbasalt rock. Next. Number 6. The rocks in which argil or clay predominates are called siliceous rock, argillaceous rock, calcareous rocks, igneous rocks. The answer is argillaceous rock. 7. Moisture absorption of a good stone should be less than 1%, 5%, 8%, 12%. The answer is 5%. Number 8. Smith's test on stone is to check toughness, hardness, compressive strength, or presence of muddy substance. The answer is D. The presence of muddy substance. Smith's test is used to check whether the stone contains muddy substance. A sample of stone is kept in a glass of distilled water for 24 hours and stirred well to remove the muddy substance. 9. Los Angeles testing machine is used to find the following in stone: surface wear, hardness, compressive strength, presence of muddy substance. The answer is A. Surface wear. The attrition test, the Los Angeles abrasion test, is conducted to find the resistance of the stone to surface wear. Number 10. The heavy stone is suitable for arches, rubble masonry, roads, retaining wall. The answer is retaining walls. 11. The softed rock is marble, diamond, talc, quartz. The answer is C. Talc. The name for talc, a sheer white mineral, is derived from the Greek word talc, which means pure. It is the softest rock on earth, widely used in cosmetic products such as baby powder and also adult and body facial powders. 12. Which one of the following does not belong to exogenous tree? Deodar, pine, mahogany, bamboo. The answer is D. Bamboo. On the basis of mode of growth, timber is classified as exogenous and endogenous. Exogenous trees grow outward, adding a distinct ring every year, while endogenous grow inward. Example of exogenous tree includes mahogany, sal, teak, babul, while example of endogenous includes bamboo and cane. 13. Sapwood consists of innermost annular ring around the pith, portion of timber between heartwood and cambium layer, thin layer below the bark, fiber which extends the pith to outwards. The answer is B, where the portion of timber between heartwood and cambium layer. 14. Inner part of a timber log surrounding the pith is called sapwood, cambium layer, heartwood, none of the above. Answer is heartwood. 15. Seasoning is process of removing sap, painting with sodium silicate, coating with tar, none of this. Answer will be A. Process of removing sap. Seasoning is the process of reducing the moisture content of timber in order to prevent the timber from fermentation and making it suitable for use. It can also be defined as a process of drying the wood. 16. Teak wood is suitable for sports article, furniture, railway sleepers, all of this. Answer will be B. Furniture. So the purpose and types of trees for furniture, it is deodar, teak, sesame, railway sleeper by deodar and sal, sport article by mulberry, music instrument by thun and walnut. 17. According to IS 399/1963, the weight of the timber is specified at 8% moisture content, 10% moisture content, 12% moisture content, 14% moisture content. The answer will be 12% moisture content. 18. Wrought iron contains carbon up to 0.25%, 1%, 1.5%, 2%. Answer will be A. 0.2%. Whereas for pig iron, it is 3.5 to 4%. Carbon and steel, it is 0.07 to 1.3%. 19. Stainless steel contains 18% chromium and 8% nickel, 8% chromium and 18% nickel, 12% chromium and 36% nickel, 36% chromium and 12% nickel. The answer will be A. 18% chromium and 8% nickel. 20. The standard size of bricks is 18 centimeter by 8 centimeter by 8 centimeter, 19 centimeter by 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter, 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter, 21 centimeter by 11 centimeter by 11 centimeter. The answer will be B, that is 19 centimeter by 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter. The size is standard, whereas when placed in masonry, the 19 by 9 by 9 centimeter brick with mortar becomes 20 by 10 by 10 centimeter. Water absorption for first class brick should not be more than 12%, 15%, 20%, 25%. Answer will be B, 15%. 22. The commonly used lime in whitewashing is fat lime, hydraulic lime, quick lime, all the above. Answer will be A, fat lime. Fat lime is soft lime composed of calcium oxide and magnesium oxide, more than 85% with magnesium oxide less than 4%. It is obtained by the calcination of limestone marble, white chalk and calcareous tufa. 23. For construction of structures underwater, the type of lime used is hydraulic lime, fat lime, quick lime, pure lime. The answer is A, hydraulic lime. Hydraulic lime contains small quantity of silica, alumina, iron oxide in chemical combination with calcium oxide component. They are produced from carboniferous limestones and magnesium limestone. It has the property to set and harden under water. 24. The temperature range in a cement is 500 to 1000 degrees centigrade, 1000 to 1200 degrees centigrade, 1300 to 1500 degrees centigrade, 1600 to 2000 degrees centigrade. The answer will be C, 1300 to 1500 degrees centigrade. 25. The bound water, that is by weight, required for complete hydration of cement is about 18%, 23%, 33%, 42%. The answer will be B, 23%. The 23% of water chemically combined with cement and therefore it is called bound water. A certain quantity of water is imbibed within the gel porous. This water is known as gel water. 26. To produce low heat cement, it is necessary to reduce the compound C3S, C2S, C3A, C4AF. The answer will be C, C3A. To limit the heat of hydration of low heat Portland cement, the C3A component in cement is minimized and a high percentage of C2S and C4AF is added. 27. The rate of heat of evaluation of 4 Vogue compounds, if equal amount considered in descending order, is C3A, C2S, C3A, C4AF or C3A, C3S, C4AF, C2S, or C4AF, C3A, C2S, C3S, or C4AF, C3S, C3A, C2S. Answer is B, that is C3A, C3S, C4AF and C2S. 28. The compound which is largely responsible for initial setting and early strength gain of ordinary Portland cement is C3A, C3S, C2S, C4AF. The answer is B, C3S. It is about 25 to 50% of cement. It renders the clinker easily to grind, increases resistance to freezing and thawing, hydrates rapidly, generating high heat, and develops an early hardness and strength. 29. High alumina cement is produced by fusing together a mixture of limestone and bauxite, limestone, bauxite and gypsum, limestone, gypsum and clay, limestone, gypsum, bauxite, clay and chalk. The answer is A, limestone and bauxite. The high alumina cement is manufactured by fusing 40% bauxite, 40% lime, 15% iron oxide with a little of ferric oxide and silica, magnesia, etc. 30. If P is the standard consistency of cement, the amount of water used in conducting the initial setting time test is 0.65 p, 0.85 p, 0.6 p or 0.8 p. The answer is B, 0.85 p. 31. If P is the standard consistency of cement, the amount of water used in conducting the soundness test of cement is 0.65 p, 0.85 p, 0.78 p, 0.5 p. The answer is C, 0.78 p. 32. Soundness test of cement determines quality of free lime, ultimate strength, durability or initial setting. The answer is A, quality of free lime. 33. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc, zinc and lead, tin and silver, zinc and nickel. The answer is A, copper and zinc. Brass is an alloy of 60 to 90% of copper and 10 to 40% of zinc. The color is silvery white for low content of copper and copper red for higher copper content. 34. Mild steel contains carbon approximately 1.5 to 5.6%, 0.15 to 0.3%, 0.25%, none of these. The answer will be B, 0.15 to 0.3%. 35. The used steel in RCC work is stainless steel, mild steel, high carbon steel, wrought iron. The answer is B, that is mild steel. 36. The portion of the brick cut across its width and having its length equal to that of a full brick is known as closure, queen closure, king closure, prince closure. The answer is B, queen closure. 37. The presence of sand in brick earth prevents cracking of bricks shrinkage of bricks, warping of bricks, and none of these. The answer is C. Warping of bricks. Sand contains silica. It enables the brick to retain its shape and imparts durability, prevents shrinkage and warping. Excess of silica makes the brick brittle and weak on burning. Large percentage of sand or uncombined silica in clay is undesirable. However, it is added to decrease shrinkage in burning. 38. The frog of a brick is normally made on its top face, bottom face, longer side, shorter side. Answer will be A. Top face. 39. Soundness of cement is tested by Bicut's apparatus, Lake-Atelier apparatus, compressive strength apparatus, none of these. Answer will be B. Lake-Atelier's apparatus. 40. The setting time of cement is determined using Lake-Atelier apparatus, briquette testing apparatus, Bicut apparatus, Cassagrande apparatus. The answer will be C. Bicut apparatus. 41. Bull's trench drill is used in the manufacturing of lime, cement, brick, none of these. Answer will be C. Bricks. 42. As per IS code for bricks, minimum acceptable compressive strength of any class of burnt brick clays in dry state is 10 MPa, 7.5 MPa, 5 MPa, 3.5 MPa. The answer is D. 3.5 MPa. 43. The function of base in paint is to provide a film on the surface, to hide imperfections of surface, to reduce shrinkage crack in paint film, to bring down the overall cost. Answer will be C. To reduce the shrinkage cracks in paint film. The base is actually metallic oxide, the principal constituent of the paint. It makes the paint film opaque and possesses binding properties that reduce the shrinkage cracks in the film on drying. Some of the examples of base are white lead, red lead, zinc, white, aluminium powder, iron oxide, etc. 44. Which of the following is not a vehicle in paints? Linseed oil, poppy oil, turpentine oil, tung oil. Answer is C. Poppy oil. Vehicle is also known as binder. 45. Which of the following is not a dryer in paints? Lead oxide, lead acetate, red lead, lithophone. The answer will be D. Lithophone. Dryers are also known as plasticizer. They are added to paint for specific purposes. Catalyst for the oxidation, polymerization and condensation of the vehicle are important works by vehicles in paint. 46. The quantity of dryer in paints is limited to 2%, 4%, 6%, 8%. The answer is D. 8%. The dryer affects the elasticity of paint, leading to flaking failure. 47. Distemper is used to coat external concrete surfaces, interior surfaces not exposed to weather, woodwork, compound wall. Answer will be B. interior surface not exposed to weather. Distemper is made with base as white chalk and thinner as water. Coloring pigments and glues are also added, and they are most suitable for plaster surfaces and also used in whitewashing surfaces of interior walls. 48. Putty is made up of white lead and turpentine, powdered chalk and raw linseed oil, red lead and linseed oil, zinc oxide and boiled linseed oil. Answer will be B. Powdered chalk and raw linseed oil. 49. In plastic paint, thinner is used as oil, spirit, water, naphtha. Answer will be C. Water. Plastic paints is a typical composition of 1 liter of plastic emulsion paint, that is 0.2 kg of binder, 0.5 kg of pigment, 0.1 kg of other solids and 0.6 kg of water. On drying, the water evaporates, leaving behind a smooth film. 50. In a mortar, the binding material is cement, sand, surki and all the above. The answer is A. Cement. The term mortar is used to indicate a paste prepared by adding required quantity of water to a mixture of binding material like cement or lime and fine aggregate like sand. 51. Which of the following aggregates gives maximum strength in concrete? Rounded aggregate, elongated aggregate, flaky aggregate, cubical aggregate. Answer is D. 52. The maximum bulking of sand is likely to occur at a moisture content of 5%, 8%, 11%, 14%. Answer will be A. 5%. Bulking of sand is actually increase in the volume of a given mass of fine aggregate caused by the presence of water. 53. Which of the following coarse aggregate require minimum cement paste? Rounded, irregular, angular, flaky. Answer will be A. Rounded, because they have minimum ratio of surface area to the volume and the cement paste required is minimum. 54. The effect of impurities in water are expressed in terms of initial setting time, final setting time, compressive strength, soundness. The answer will be A. Initial setting time. 55. The upper limit of suspended particles in water for the preparation of concrete is 200 ppm, 2000 ppm, 5000 ppm, 10,000 ppm. Answer is B. 2000 ppm. ppm means parts per million. 56. Organic matter in water for making concrete should not be more than 1000 ppm, 3000 ppm, 10,000 ppm, 15,000 ppm. Answer will be B. 3000 ppm. 57. The approximate ratio between the strength of cement concrete at 7-day and 28-day is 3/4, 2/3, half or 1/3. Answer will be B. 2/3. 58. Approximate ratio of strength of 15/30 cm concrete cylinder to that of 15 cm cube of the same concrete is 1.25, 1, 0.85, 0.5. Answer will be C. 0.85. 59. Tensile strength of concrete is measured by direct tension test in the universal testing machine, applying compressive load by along the diameter, applying third point loading on a prism, applying tensile load along the diameter of the cylinder. Answer will be C. Applying third point loading on a prism. 60. The compacting factor test of cement concrete determines its strength, porosity, degree of compaction under loads, workability. Answer will be D. Workability. 61. Ultrasonic pulse velocity method is used to determine compressive strength of concrete, impact resistance of concrete, tensile strength of concrete, quality of concrete. Answer will be D. Quality of concrete. 62. The ratio of tensile strength to compressive strength of concrete is about 1 by 5, half, 1/10, 1/20th. Answer will be C. 1/10. 63. Which of the following types of steel is used in the manufacture of rails? Mild steel, manganese steel, cast steel, Bessemer steel. Answer will be B. Manganese steel. 64. Which of the following is not a ceramic material? Glass, clay, lime, abrasives. Answer will be C. Lime. 65. Key enclosures are related to doors and window, king post truss, queen post truss, brick masonry. Answer will be D. Brick masonry. 66. The optimum number of revolutions over which concrete is required to be mixed in a mixer machine is 10, 20, 50, 100. Answer will be B. 20. 67. Which of the following is the purest form of iron? Cast iron, wrought iron, mild steel, high carbon steel. Answer will be B. Wrought iron. 68. Which of the following gradients exert maximum influence on properties of steel? Iron, carbon, manganese, sulfur. Answer will be B. Carbon. 69. Number of bricks required for 1 cubic meter of brick masonry: 400, 450, 500, 550. Answer is C. 500. 70. Crushing strength of a brick first class type should not be less than 3.5 Newton per square mm, 7 Newton per square mm, 10.5 Newton per square mm, 14 Newton per square mm. Answer is C. 10.5 Newton per square mm. 71. The main function of alumina in brick earth is to impart plasticity, to make a brick durable, to prevent shrinkage, to make the brick impermeable. The answer is A. To impart plasticity. Alumina absorbs water and renders the clay plastic. If alumina is present in excess of the specified quantity, it produces cracks in brick on drying. 72. Which of the following ingredient of the brick earth enables the brick to retain its shape? Alumina, silica, iron, magnesia. Answer is B. Silica. Silica enables the brick to retain its shape, imparts durability, prevents shrinkage and warping. 73. Age of a tree can be known by examining cambium layer, annular ring, medullary ray, heartwood. Answer is B. annular ring. 74. Before testing setting time of cement, one should test for soundness, strength, fineness, consistency. Answer is D. Consistency. 75. Surki is added to lime mortar to prevent shrinkage, decrease setting time, increase bulk, impart hydraulicity. Answer is D. Impart hydraulicity. 76. The most important purpose of frog in a brick is to emboss manufacturer's name, reduce the weight of the brick, form keyed joint between brick and mortar, improve insulation by providing halos. Answer is C. Form keyed joint between brick and mortar. 77. A gauged mortar is obtained by adding which of the following ingredients to cement? Sandstone, sand and surki, sand and lime, surki. Answer is C. Sand and lime. 78. The slenderness ratio for masonry wall should not be more than 10, 20, 30, 40. Answer is B. 20. 79. The proportions of lime and sand in the mortar normally used in brick construction are 1:2, 1:4, 1:6, 1:8. Answer is A. 1:2. 80. The type of bond provided in brick masonry for carrying heavy load is single Flemish bond, double Flemish bond, English bond, zigzag bond. Answer is C. English bond. 81. The vehicle used in case of enamel paints is usually linseed oil, water, varnish. None of these. Answer is C. Varnish. 82. One of the main demerits in using the lime mortar is that it is not durable, it swells, it is plastic, it does not set quickly. The answer is D. It does not set quickly. 83. Tungsten steel is normally used in the manufacture of drilling machine, heavy earth equipments, heavy mining equipments, delicate instruments. Answer is A. Drilling machines. 84. The vulcanizing agent used in rubber is wax, rosin oil, sulfur, zinc. Answer is C. Sulfur. 85. Coal tar pitch is classified on the basis of viscosity, softening point, specific gravity, ductility. Answer is B. Softening point. 86. Neoprene is a organic solvent thin adhesive, latex adhesive, water dispersed adhesive, two package adhesive. Answer is B. Latex adhesive. 87. The material recommended for roofing is linoleum, asbestos, thermocol, geosynthetic. Answer is B. Asbestos. 88. Which of the following is a cellular plastic material? Thermocol, linoleum, neoprene, asbestos. Answer is A. Thermocol. 89. Knots reduce the tensile strength of wood. Along the grain, across the grain, tangential to the grain, none of the above. Answer is B. Across the grain. 90. Timber can be made fire resistant by deeping and steeping process, Abel's process, charring, hot and cold open tank treatment. Answer will be B. Abel's process. 91. Plywood is specified by weight, volume, thickness, number of layers. Answer will be D. Number of layers. 92. Plywood has great stiffness and strength. Across the grains, along the grains, both A and B tangential to the grain. Answer will be C, both across the grain and along the grains. 93. Which of the following woods is not suitable for making bridge? Babul, Nageshwar, Sal, teak. Answer is D, teak. 94. Which of the following is not an objective of seasoning timber? Reduction in shrinkage and warping, reduction of weight, increase in strength and durability, reduction of natural defects in timber. Answer will be D. Reduction of natural defects in timber. 95. The wood preservative creosote is derived from wood or coal, acidic cuprichromate, chromated zinc chloride, pentachlorophenol. Answer will be A. Wood or coal. 96. The most suitable stone for building piers is granite, limestone, sandstone, marble. Answer is A. Granite. 97. The deformation of the shape of bricks caused by the rainwater falling on the hot bricks is known as spots, checks, chops, blisters. Answer is C. Chops. 98. The molded bricks are dried before burning to an approximate moisture content of 3%, 6%, 10%, 20%. Answer will be A. 3%. 99. In the process of brick manufacturing, the pug mill is used in which of the following operation? Weathering, blending, tempering, burning. Answer is C. Tempering. And the last one, 100. Which of the following is caustic lime? Quick lime, fat lime, milk lime, hydraulic lime. Answer is A. Quick lime. Hope you all have enjoyed our video. It is quite informative. Please comment your relevant feedback so that we can improve, and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. And if you like our video, then please subscribe our channel Study Tips. Like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.